My customer, they like these butter cookies so much. So these butter cookies, I always serve it with a cup of coffee. Once the customer buy a cup of coffee, I will serve it with one piece of cookie for free. So most of the customer, they like this cookie. They will always ask one more until even they buy a box. So that you see, I was putting in a box. So if the customer like it, he cannot manage to eat only two, he will buy like a box and then he will take it at home. Then they will share with the kid or the family. So always they like my cookie. So this cookie always on the top, because sometimes when you see how I make it very carefully and I use the good ingredient. I don't put too much things, only 5 ingredients. So I will share in my description the ingredient I used and the process of how to make these butter cookies. So these butter cookies, you can make it at home, can make it for your shop.